welcome back to another video. Today we got an Ace Hardware helpful place. Ace Hardware. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Yeah, we got the ad from Ace Hardware. We got valid August 28th to September 30th. It says red hot buys. This is a tool channel, so I'm gonna try going over just the tools. If I see anything that pops up, I'll mention it. But yeah, we're gonna fast forward to the tools here. We got buy this and get this free. So if I can, okay. So it says Milwaukee M18 fuel saw, reciprocating saw, and you do get a battery for free, I believe. Can't really see. It looks like a 5 amp hour battery. Yeah, it's a 5. Kind of blind. Sorry, guys. It says buy this Milwaukee M18 fuel saw reciprocating saw, and you get this battery for free. So that is the current deal that they have right now. Actually, it's not a bad deal because the saw is almost worth that much, and this battery is worth at least $100. Or yeah, right there, 129. So I gotta say, if you guys are on the Milwaukee platform, definitely recommend this for you guys. If you're new to the Milwaukee platform, still recommend it for you guys, but you guys still need to buy the charger. Here we got this Stanley Irwin. It says your choice, $9.99 each. So let's look at these items here. So we got a toolbox here. We got a Stanley stapler. Looks like a stapler. Can't really see the. Yeah, I can't really see the details, but it is a stapler. And then we got Fat Max tape measure, 25 footer, and then you got the Fat Max saw there, hand saw, and then you got the Irwin clamps, and then you got some sort of organizer for tools or screws and whatnot. But yeah, any of these are $10 each, or so, just under $10. So good deals, especially on these clamps. These clamps are real good clamps, and these Fat Max tape measures are real nice too. Let's see here. We got another your choice here, $14.99 Milwaukee brand. You got a 25-foot magnetic tape measure. You got some scissors here, Milwaukee brand. And then you got a set of screwdrivers. I gotta say, this is a nice set of screwdrivers. It's about 6 screwdrivers. Looks like magnetic point there. I don't know if it's magnetic. Can't really. It looks like magnetic. And then we have some lockers here. Definitely. What is this? Looks like a little. Never seen Milwaukee's lock. It says buy one get one free. Mix and match Ace and Yard and Garden Tools, $21.99. We got some ladders here. It says Werner 8 feet type 2 fiberglass step ladder, or 16 feet type 3 aluminum extension ladder for $69.99. So you do have your choice of both. You got the 8-inch or the 8 feet or the 16 feet aluminum, but I believe they don't have a picture. It's just limit 2. And then they got a plastic shelving unit for $34.99. Every time you're buying a shelving unit, make sure you look at the pound capacity on the box and make sure that is according to what you're going to be using it for. Then we got the Little Giant for $169.99. Says 17 feet type 1A aluminum articulating ladder there. So it's like a different sizes and different shapes you can make it. We got some great stuff called gaps and cracks. Yeah, I like using this stuff. This stuff's nice. You got a house or an apartment, or probably a house that has a lot of holes, you know, around the plumbing areas and stuff like that. That's a nice thing to have. Then we got Flex Seal, Flex Tape, Flex Glue, or Flex Shot Rubber Sealants. So there's all kinds of sealants here. I never used this brand. I heard good things about it, but I never used it myself. Let's see here. What is this? Foam, Wasp, Hornet, Spider Killer. Not really a fan of aerosols, but yeah, if you need an aerosol, there you go. $3.99 each. All right, I didn't know Harbor Freight made these keys. I gotta have one made for my truck too. It says save up to 60% on dealership pricing. We can cover 92% of the vehicles. Get your key as early as same day. We have your car key, experts cut and program key, remote control. Keep your vehicle on the road. Yeah, I didn't know Harbor Freight did, or Ace Hardware did that. So, you got a canopy here. It's 10 by 10 pop-up canopy. $59.99. And then you got some tables and chairs there, $29. $12 for the okay. Rubbermaid 32 gal commercial grade trash can. I gotta give myself one of those to clean your yard. Then we got the Eagle 56 volt leaf blower, $179.99. It does include a 2 amp hour lithium battery, 2.5. Says up to 75-minute runtime on low speed, variable speed up to 300 or 530 CFM. All right, looks like that's it for today. Short video. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell.